How to join standard Discord server. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Discord on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on the plus button on the left side. After you click on the plus button on the left side, you will find this kind of screen. Here, click on join a server at the bottom. After you click on join a server at the bottom, in here simply paste the link. I have added in the description as well. You can also type in as you see in the screen and then click on join with invite link. After you click on join with invite link, you will be added in the server. Now click on accept invite and you're good to go. This is how to join Standartskill Discord server. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.